Well, hey guys, how's it going? My name is Dallas, aka Infurness, and welcome to TheTekkitRealm. This is a game called. Wait, let me try to get this right. Ow. Somewhere around the lines of that, and I don't know exactly what the name of the game means, but I'm assuming that's. It means stupid people walking in the poles like morons. No. I'm pretty sure what it means is Seagull in some sort of foreign language. Everything in this game is stupid. Look at that. Everything in this game deserves to die. You know, this game really, really does remind me of something I used to play called Hide. It's a long time ago. The graphics really remind me of that. I mean, seriously. This is next gen console gaming graphics right here. It is. Look at it. How could you beat that? Where am I going? Am I supposed to? I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm apparently able to shoot stuff from my mouth. Like that. Oh my god. Oh. This shitty ass game. Oh my god. Scared the hell out of me. Alright, oh dang. This game is like literally next gen. Look at everyone's freaking out. Look at that guy's face like, oh my god. Whoa. See that? Hey, look at that guy's face is so realistic. It almost kills me to make him die. Look at those graphics. What are you doing? It might be GTA 6. Yes. Who knows? With those graphics, you can't argue. It's a little bit too loud if you ask me. Well, you're quite a fun game. I'm talking to the game. I just spit on my screen. I have a new snow, okay. Shut up now. I have a new, Blue Yeti microphone, and it's, amazing as hell. Especially when you're badass like me, because when you're badass like me, look at his face. Oh my god, this is hilarious. Well, oh, by the way, I have a face cam. Did you guys know that I have a face cam? Look at my beautiful. This is a square. This game is a square. You know, the thing with 4 sides. I don't know. And because it's stupid. I don't know what to do. It's really this game. I don't know. I think I'm gonna base my channel off this game because this is just so entertaining and intellectually stimulating. You can destroy umbrellas. Look at that. Censorship. Look at my foot. It's like.
Hey guys, see something you like? Yeah.
Thoughts. Oh, you can look at the die. Even my own self. I come. This game's loud as hell. Well, thank you all for watching, I guess. I think I completed the game. This is GTA 6, I believe. Rockstar Games is totally gonna put a couple of $1 million in this game to make it the new GTA. Yeah, it's next gen console graphics right here. I don't know what else to tell you. I mean, you can tell by the amazing, sexy feet of the person right there. Anyways, so, yeah, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed my new face cam. My name is Dallas, aka Infurness, and you have been watching the TekkitRealm. And this amazingly high graphical fidelic game that I just don't even have a word to describe right now. In all seriousness, this game sucks. And I'll see you all in the next video. Okay, video's done. Alright. Go to my... Go. Oh!